This dance is called Jackson Who. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improver level line dance with 1 tag, 1 step change and 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, point the right forward, point the right to the side, into a coaster step, back together forward. Repeat with the left foot, point the left forward, point to the side, coaster step. That section once more then, points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster step, point, coaster step. Look forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, shuffle half turn over your right shoulder, quarter close, quarter. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight back on the right, into a quarter turning chassé to the left. So we're going to make a quarter turn to start, into that chassé. That section once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chassé. Let's add those 2 sections together. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster step, point, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chassé. Cross the right over the left, point the left to the side. Cross left over right, point the right to the side. Into a coaster step, right foot leading. Rock forward on the left, recover the weight on the right. That section once more then. Cross point, off on the right. 7, 8, cross point, coaster step, forward rock. Add that to the top. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster step, point, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chassé. Cross point, coaster step, forward rock. Shuffle back on the left, back shuffle. 2 half toe turns. So you're going to touch your right toe back, make half a turn to the right as your weight goes down on that right foot. Touch your left toe forward, half a turn to the right, weight goes back down on that left foot. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. So that section once more then, shuffling back on the left. 7, 8, back shuffle, toe, turn, back rock. Now there is the equivalent of a full turn in those 2 half toe strut steps. So if you want to try and take those out, you literally just do 2 back struts. So you shuffle back on the left, or step the right toe back, lower the heel, step the left toe back, lower the heel, rock back on the right, recover. Cover the same ground as everybody else, but you just get to take that full turn out, should you wish. So non-turning alternatives, 2 back struts instead of the 2 half toe turns. End of dance when you get to that point. So let's put it all together. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster step, point, coaster step. Forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chassé. Cross point, coaster step, forward rock, back shuffle, toe, turn, back rock. So that is your dance. I'll go through it now with the counts. Points off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Points, half on the right. 7, 8. Point, point, coaster, step. Point, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, back shuffle. Toe, turn, back rock. Point, point, coaster, step. Point, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, back shuffle. Toe, turn, back rock. Point, point, coaster, step. Point, coaster, step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, back shuffle. Toe, turn, back rock. In this dance, there is 1 tag, 1 step change, and 2 restarts. The restarts come after the tag and the step change. First one, the tag comes on wall 3, which is your 6 o'clock wall, after 26 counts. So you will basically have done that back shuffle, and then rather than doing your toe turns, you just basically put on a back rock. So that is your tag, is a simple little back rock, and you restart. So it's wall 3, let's take you up to that tag position. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster, step. Point, coaster, step. Forward rock, half shuffle. Forward rock, turn chassé. Cross, point, coaster, step. Forward rock, back shuffle, tag, back rock. Start again with your points. So you will be facing 9 o'clock when you actually restart. So the next step change comes on wall 7, which is also your 6 o'clock wall. This one comes after 10 counts. So you will have done your points and your coaster steps. You will have rocked forward. Rather than doing your shuffle half turn, your change is half a turn, stepping forward on the right, step forward on the left. Restart the dance at that point. So let's just take you up to the step change restart point on wall 7. Points off on the right. 7, 8, point, coaster, step. Point, coaster, step. Forward rock, step change, turn, step. And start again with your points. So tag and step change, walls 3 and 7, both of which are your back wall, 6 o'clock. So wall 3 after 26 counts, wall 7 after 10. So that is your dance. It's your walk through, it's your tag, step change and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music.
Stop popping, junkie, Jericho popping, coaster step. Forward rock, hop shuffle, forward rock,
It
was gas up and race to go. Surfing the waves on the radio. You look like a girl in a magazine.
Turn, back
turn chasse, cross point, coast to step, forward rock, back shuffle, turn, back rock, point, restart walk, point, coast to step, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chasse, cross point, coast to step, forward rock, back shuffle tag, back rock, restart, point, coast to step, point, coast to step, forward rock, half shuffle, forward rock, turn chasse, cross point, coast to step, forward rock, back shuffle, turn, back rock, point.
Rock down the road, went from sunshine to snow.
Forward rock,
Look out below, up on Copper
cross
Mountain. We
point,
were free as the wind, didn't want it to end.
back shuffle,
Love we were in, we had it surrounded.
Points.
Yeah, I still take that trip down memory road.
forward rock,
From Jacksonville to Jackson Hole.
cross point, back shuffle, point, next restart wall, just step change, forward rock, turn, step, restart, points,
When the clouds are gray, as we got back to the sunshine state, could see it in your little smile. We've seen the last of New Orleans, no sailing back to Steamboat Springs. Damn girl, sure fun for a while. Cause we rocked and we rolled, went from sunshine to snow. It was look out below, up on Copper Mountain. We were free as the wind, didn't want it to end. Wasn't love we were in, we had it surrounded. Yeah, I still take that trip down memory road. From Jacksonville to Jackson Hole. Oh, we went from cold to hot and hot to cold. From Jacksonville to Jackson Hole.
Hope you managed that one.